Hello viewers, welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network, and this morning let us talk about important matters. Opochingwono has been on the forefront of attacking the opposition in the nation of Zimbabwe, and we have seen him raising some questions, and these questions we need to actually take a look, tackle them, and understand the meaning of them. So he says, who ordered Hazviperi's removal as spokesperson of the opposition, and who ordered Promise Mkwananzi's appointment as a spokesperson? These are very important questions right here. This shows clearly that the regime in Harare is not happy with what is happening in the opposition. They know that the rise of some prominent people within the opposition cycles, or the strategy being deployed and used by Nelson Chamisa, is a frustrating strategy. What Ochimono here seems to be after something, and I'm going to explain and point out. Number one, Promise Mkwananzi was appointed and replaced the advocate Hazviperi. The appointing authority was Nelson Chamisa. The major question is the keyword which is here, which I'm highlighting, ordered, which means, according to Hotpo Chimono, a directive was given to Nelson Chamisa to appoint the Promise Mkwananzi as the spokesperson. Secondly, there is an order foot which was given, which says who ordered the removal of Hazviperi, which means, according to Hotpo Chimono, there is somebody who is behind the opposition, who is telling the opposition what to do. This is what Hotpo Chimono is insinuating. He has used these words twice, ordered and ordered. Then we have an appointment right here. This is about Nelson Chamisa. So Hotpo Chimono is simply saying, who ordered Nelson Chamisa to appoint Promise Mkwananzi replacing Hazviperi? He went on to say the opposition must come clean, and that must is in capital letters, which means this is a demand which Hotpo Chimono is actually giving. The question is, why is he demanding that the opposition explains anything when he knows that he has been attacking the opposition several times? He opted for a third way which failed to materialize. Why are they coming back to the same opposition? So he says the opposition must come clean on who was the puppet master. The puppet master of who? So this is the new narrative. They are saying Nelson Chamisa is captured. Why? We have seen Jealousy Mawariri coming up and saying something different, saying Nelson Chamisa is working with Kudata Gray and so forth. He has tried to say, since Kudata Gray is an Adventist, Tabani Mpofu is an Adventist, Nelson Chamisa has joined the Adventist and they are working together. This is what they are saying. They are now saying Kudata Gray is funding the opposition. But what funds? Because the opposition was underfunded in the previous elections and everybody knows about it. So who must come clean? Who is misleading the citizens? If we are to ask between Hotpo and Nelson, one would know that indeed Nelson Chamisa is being fought left, right, and center. These people of the third wave are now Hotpo Chimono. They fought Nelson Chamisa. Zanpe fought Nelson Chamisa. The infiltrators fought Nelson Chamisa. Everybody is against Nelson Chamisa except the citizens. And now the master stroke is to make sure that they separate Nelson Chamisa from the citizens. Once they manage to do so, then they know that their plans will work. The other thing which is being done, they've also gone to the media, social media. Their own people are spreading narratives that Nelson Chamisa is sick, that Nelson Chamisa is not well. What does that mean? They want to portray a situation. They will say Nelson Chamisa cannot lead the opposition, cannot continue to lead the opposition because he looks sick. What it means is they know for sure that if they manage to continue pressing only saying Nelson Chamisa is sick, the people of Zimbabwe will say, okay, so if Nelson Chamisa is sick, let us find another person. That is what they are doing. So we need to be careful with these people. That is how they operate. That is the modus operandi. A lot of people didn't vote in the 2023 elections because of the discouragement which was coming from these quarters. It's continuing to happen. It is continuing to happen. One way or the other, someone will try to convince me that Tim Pachedu was for Nelson Chamisa. It wasn't. It was against Nelson Chamisa. Take a look on all the people who worked for Tim Pachedu. They are supporting the other faction. Why? It's because they were doing what they were doing publicly, so as to make the people of Zimbabwe say there is no need for us to waste our money going back to vote. Only a few people came to vote. The majority said we can't go and vote for nonsense. They are at it again. We need to be vigilant. We need to actually see how these people are working, and you understand why is he concerned. One day he will tell you, I'm not a politician, I'm a journalist. If you are a journalist, why are you coming to ask such questions? Why are you not going to Nelson Chamisa, ask him the questions? Why are you not going to Promise, ask him questions there and bring the story and the answers for us? Why are you not doing that? So Team Zimbabwe, I'm telling you this. You have to be very careful when dealing with Wopo Chingono. You have to be very, very vigilant when dealing with Wopo Chingono. This is a clear sign that his masters are now afraid of the actions being taken by Nelson Chamisa, because he took them by surprise and shagged the whole thing upside down. Right now, Promise Mkwananzi is making moves within the CCC, making sure that he corrects what is happening within the CCC and is now being labeled. Why are they now labeling Promise Mkwananzi? It's because they know for sure that Sengezo Tshabangu will not stand, will not survive what is coming after him. That is the reason why they want to unsettle everything. They know that their favorite, who they want to hijack CCC, will face a match, in a match to match. So, Team Zimbabwe, let us be vigilant. This season, we are in the driest season of our politics. Anything can happen, and a lot is going to happen. So, this is my own observation, and I don't know what you think, how you view it, but I've told you what I think personally. And Hans Banapa, isn't it that Promise was made spokesperson because Maire was MP? And let those who know answer the question, comrade. Sit down. I don't know, Parufananz Mnangagwa passing the puppy, because this is a question which has been asked honestly. I don't know, guys. Let us talk in the comment section. Your thoughts, your views. Let us have that discussion.